What is an overdraft? If a person's bank account goes below zero, that is, the balance is a negative number, they have an overdraft. We can also say that they are overdrawn. In other words, they owe money to the bank. The negative balance may be accidental. Perhaps the account holder inadvertently drew more money than was available. If you do go into the red unexpectedly and you do not have an overdraft facility, you will get a letter or email from your bank. Your bank will most likely charge you a daily fee for having your account in overdraft if you do not have a prior arrangement. You should contact them immediately, otherwise the penalty fees will soon mount up. Even if you have an agreed overdraft facility, if you exceed your limit, you will be charged additional fees. Many banks around the world may also push up the interest rate on the money you owe. It is important to remember that when you go into overdraft, you are getting into debt. Only use it for short-term borrowing or emergencies. Many customers, however, end up seeing their overdraft arrangement as a spending limit rather than a last resort. If you need to borrow more than your overdraft limit, you should talk to your bank about other types of borrowing, especially if you want a longer-term arrangement. They will probably offer you a kind of credit or loan that is more suitable to your requirements. The Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, an official website of the United States government, writes the following: An overdraft occurs when you don't have enough money in your account to cover a transaction, but the bank pays the transaction anyway. Some financial institutions advertise an interest-free overdraft. Bear in mind that in most cases, they are referring just to the first part of the overdraft. The bank may only offer free interest facilities in student accounts. If you want to avoid being penalized with additional charges, you should consider taking out overdraft protection. In an overdraft protection arrangement, the bank may link up your checking and savings account. The latter is used as backup funds if the checking account slips into negative numbers.